Recording.
Alright, so I ordered a drill bit dispenser set for all that mess up there. So I've got like 40 different packages of drill bits up there, and I need to open up space on that shelf so that I've got room enough for other tools. So I ordered this from Temu, but it's through vevor. And I want to do a quick unboxing so that you guys can see this, because I, for one, pretty much swear by vevor tools. As you can see, I've got the chop saw there, and I got the magnetic drill over there on the bench. Yeah, double box, hey? They look pretty good. Holy crap, dude. Them things are solid. That's got to be 18 gauge at least. Look how easy those drawers move. Pretty solid stuff. I'm actually impressed. This one has all the letter drill bits. There should be one for fractional and one for numbered as well. Yep, this is all the fractional, all the way from 1/8 inch or 16th inch, all the way up to 1/2 inch, but again, flawless with it. Oh, and each one comes with, looks like new labels so that you can redo these if you have to.
One of those foot pads or something?
Yeah, I think they're rubber pads that go on the bottom to stop them from skidding across anything. I actually am going to take and drill and slot a hole here in the back, and they're going to hang right by that window right there. One more. This one should be the numbered. Yes. Nice. Feel the heft on them things.
Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty solid. Not something you would expect from Chinese.
How much were they?
This whole setup cost me $160 for all three of them.
Not bad.
And they're going to mount on the wall and stack one above each other just like that.